200 effortlessly stunning front porch decor ideas, simple designs anyone can achieve. Welcome to my channel. This is your dedicated space for diving deep into the world of nature, gardening, and tranquil landscapes tailored for those who seek peace and serenity amidst their daily routines. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, an aspiring green thumb, or simply someone who finds joy in the lap of nature, you'll find a welcoming home here. My channel is designed to transport you to calming places where nature's beauty is showcased in all its splendor, offering a visual and auditory escape from the clamor of everyday life. Here, you'll journey through immersive videos that feature a wide array of garden styles, each more enchanting than the last. Explore vibrant flower gardens bursting with colours where every petal is a masterpiece, and lively insects flit about, adding their subtle hum to nature's symphony. Wander through lush herb gardens, where the air is filled with earthy, aromatic scents, inspiring new culinary adventures or simple appreciation for the earth's bounty. Discover the peace of tranquil Japanese gardens, where meticulous design meets the art of simplicity, revealing the harmony between human creativity and the natural world. Lose yourself in serene rooftop sanctuaries high above the cityscape, offering a private oasis, where the urban jungle gives way to sky-high greenery, a place where one can breathe deeply and feel the weight of the world ease, even if just for a moment. Each video is crafted to be a journey, inviting you to step into a unique space where the essence of nature is celebrated with calming visuals and soothing sounds. You'll find high-quality footage that captures the delicate rustle of leaves, the playful dance of sunlight through branches, and the gentle sway of flowers in the breeze. Alongside these visuals are the soothing natural sounds of birdsong, the calming patter of gentle rain, or soft, relaxing music that enhances the overall experience, creating an ambience perfect for relaxation, meditation, and stress relief. Whether you watch these videos to find inspiration for your garden projects or to simply unwind after a hectic day, this channel promises a peaceful retreat designed to soothe your senses. Join this community where the love for nature binds me. Subscribe and turn on your notifications to not miss out on this journey through beautiful landscapes, a journey that not only rejuvenates the spirit, but also inspires a deeper connection with the natural world around us. Welcome to your sanctuary of peace and tranquility.